This is just a bit of a map. So I'm at the gardens, and this is a bit of a map so I can just roughly show you where I'm feeding who. So hopefully you can see this. Down here, that's where the raven is. In this open field here, that's down in this corner, is where Rhodey and JJ get fed. And in the middle of that reserve, in the Muxies trees, is where the Pewee magpie is. Then we come down, out and around and through the botanical gardens. So follow my finger all the way through to about here, so it's about 1 kilometre. And 1 kilometre in here is where the wattlebird is, and Rascal. So Rascal's the one that jumps up on the arm. So you get Rascal in there. And then down here in the south gardens, right at the other end, that's where Maisie and Daisy and the granddad and the matriarch are, the original magpies that I fed. So in distance, it's probably about 1.5 kilometres from one end of the park all the way down to that end. So I don't know if that gives you an idea. Probably won't come up on the camera. Anyway, just thought I'd give it a go. Cool. See ya. So this is the same day. I've just come from the shot of having the Murray magpie hand feed from my lap. So as I've said in that video, it's nice. I've got the that's Rascal's wife over there. She doesn't come any closer. I haven't known her for that long. Yeah, it's nice having them. That's the 4 species: the wattlebird, the Pewee Murray magpie, and the Australian magpie, and the raven. So in this little stretch, in this area of the botanical gardens and the open reserve area, I've managed to get 4 different species of bird, quite different from each other, to come and land or hand feed in my lap. And the wattlebird and the Pewee was through watching the magpies. So they sat back for quite a while and watched, and I did nothing to train them. They've just come in, as I've said before. It's monkey see, monkey do. They've learnt from the magpies. So hate to rave on about it, but I feel pretty blessed.